This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Gingerbread Carousel box cards. This file has an elephant, a horse, and a reindeer, and I've mostly assembled the horse and the elephant, but I'll show you how to put their characters together, and then we will just assemble together one card. Okay, so I think I'm going to just start here with the front piece. So we've got these three pieces that make up the back of the box, and then this piece is a side and the front. I like my texture to be on the front of the card, so you just want to make sure that you have a side and a tab going one way and the other way, okay, so that your card will go together correctly. Okay, and then you've got like frosting pieces. Where is... and I'm missing one side. Oh, here it is. Okay, so what you want to make sure of for these when you put them on is that the flat end is going up against the side. Okay, so this one will be on the side and this one will go on that one. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to fold on the score lines, and I just refilled my glue, so it'll probably be like coming out fast and slow, so I apologize. But you just want to line it right up to the top and edge to edge, okay? So this is supposed to be gingerbread. That's why I've done it in the browns and the white. And you could change up the coloring, like if you wanted this to be snow instead of frosting. Okay, so there's that. I was having a hard time with my machine, so this piece didn't cut out really clean. So these are designed to line up to the bottom and then side to side. So like this one is just giving you this little bit of trim, okay? And then this one is gonna just go line it up side to side, and then you've got, and it looks like your frosting outline, okay? So let's glue these in place. So I'm just going to set it on the table and then use my fingers to guide it side to side. Let's see if I can't trim this just a little bit, because this really did not cut well. I had the wrong blade in. Okay. That looks a little bit better. Okay, and again, we're going to do this. We're going to line it up flush to the bottom and then to both sides. Okay. Yeah, that just really did not cut well. And then we're going to fold this side up and then fold your tab. And then glue your frosting on this side. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this together just on one side. Again, I'm just going to use my table to make sure that it's flush. Just line that up. Okay, and now set this aside for a minute and bring in the top. So you've got, you can see on this one here, pull this down a little. You've got some red and some green behind it. I like to start with the red because it's a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to put the glue on this piece. And then put the bottom piece on. A fine tip, glue bottle will really come in handy with this. And then you can barely see it, but it does give it a nice little border. Now, if you don't want to have the colors in between, because it looks like I changed my mind, that's why there's holes in this, then you can just use this border piece and it will give you like a chocolate border even around the little cutouts. And then I'm going to use some foam squares for this. And then we're going to put these right on the back. Okay. So now that is done. And let's see, here's our reindeer. So this is the first one we're going to put together. Let's slide him in. So the first thing that you want to do is put the pole on for your animal, because you want to make sure you get that on underneath. Okay. This piece is the center to this harness. And then you want to put your saddle together, and it's two pieces. Okay. And you're going to put your reindeer together. Now this goes around the neck and then down to the back, okay? So you want this to go on before your saddle. And then there's also a harness. And this goes across the nose and up the head. And then you're going to glue this, again, because it's supposed to be a cookie, so it has the frosting outline. And then just glue it right to the base piece. Now fold your insert on the score lines. Then we're going to take the base. The one with 2 is the back. We're going to put glue just on the tab.